tungkol sa pinagsasalan na isang kahoy. At mahakip ng sago ang abang ng munting ibon. Dahil sa sakit, di na makaya pang lumipad. Ang nangyari ay nahulog, ngunit parang taong bigat. Mamang kalulit, ang puso mo di man nakabag. Sa pumalawang buhay ko, may isang titik na iiyak. Mamang kalulit, ang puso mo di man nakabag. Sa pumalawang buhay ko, may isang titik na iiyak.
Yes! Let's give him a thunderous round of applause once again! Amazing performance! Congratulations! We are so proud of you! All right! Thank you! This way, this way. Let me share with you a story while the rest of the kids are getting ready for the next performance. My granddaughter performed one of the for the Santo Niño. I think it was at the Atitas or whatever
2 years ago.
2 years ago, in the feast of Santo Niño, the infant child, Jesus. And you know what happened afterwards? She said, I love being Filipino. Yes. And she said, can I call you Lola now? Or Grandma or Granny in English? You know, and then she said, I want to learn, you know. I want to learn how to do all of these Filipino things, especially dances, songs, and also what they call this Filipino food, how to cook Filipino food. So now, every time that we would pick them up here at Sinai, you know, when their dad or their mom would pick them up, you know, our granddaughter would say, "Salamat po."
Thank you.
Yeah, which means thank you. And then she would say, "Konting ingat," meaning take care, you know. So now,